Today, we're getting a little nostalgic. In hand for you guys, I have the brand new Adidas ZX 8000 Lego. This is the brand new collaboration between Adidas and Lego, and I think this thing is just so cool. So keep it locked to the channel here and be sure to hit that subscribe button. But this sneaker did come out at the end of September for a retail price of $130 and did sell out almost immediately everywhere. I was able to grab a pair of these and finally just got it in actually, but was so excited to take a look at these things because I love Legos, I love taking a look at new shoes, and this is the perfect combination of the two right here. There is actually Lego pieces on this sneaker and there's a bunch of extras included. So we're gonna do a full dive into the sneaker, take a look at it both up close and on feet, and I'll get you guys my thoughts and opinions towards the end of the video. So for now, let's get into the quick facts about the shoe. So here's what you need to know about the Adidas ZX 8000 Lego. So they do fit true to size and are pretty comfortable right out of the box. I think the all-day comfort would be pretty solid as well. They do come with all the additional laces that I will show you guys shortly, so plenty of ways to style it, and overall a very nice shoe. So let's get into taking a look at it up close. So if we take a look at the shoes, we can check out the box first. It comes in this all white kind of pull-out box. So if we see on the size tag here, ZX 8000 Lego, and the retail price was $130, as I mentioned before. I'll get the box opened up and show you guys what's inside. So here's the box when it is opened up. There actually isn't any other additional branding for Lego or anything like that. Just comes with a paper inside, and then something on the top here. It does say A to ZX series and the Adidas logo on top. And back to the shoes now, starting with the lateral side. So if we start down at the midsole and outsole, one of the most colorful parts on the sneaker, we can see the outsole peeking through in red. The midsole is yellow, a little hit of green going towards the top of the toe. And then we come to this really nice suede material around the toe box, some mesh on the toe box itself, a little bit of blue, going up to the yellow laces with a green Lego brick as the lace lock on the front. I love that. The lace holes on the side are another piece of, Lego building bricks in red. Some more suede around the eyelets there, the Lego hit at the very top, and then even some more Lego pieces and material on the back heel in blue here. You can literally see the small design. It does say Lego on each of those circles there. So they really went all out and made sure this collaboration was top notch to, showcase both Adidas and Lego here. Onto the medial side now, everything wraps around. We can see everything that I mentioned before. The green on the midsole is actually in a little bit of a different place. The blue wrapping around again with the Lego hits. The three stripes in the middle in white and yellow around the laces there with the red, that green brick on the top, the blue at the very top of the toe, and we can get a good shot at the suede on the toe box here. One other thing to mention is the stuff attached to the shoe. So first we can see the size tag, which is gonna mirror the box in terms of information. And then onto the additional laces and additional Lego bricks that are included. They went all out. These shoes are already colorful, and you can pick and choose whichever color laces you want to include on the sneakers. We have red, blue, green, and black, and then there's the matching Lego brick to go with it. So we see yellow matches the yellow on the laces right now, and then we see blue and blue, red and red. You get the idea. There's all these different colors. Oh, there's actually gray in there too. And then the lace tips also say that A to ZX series that we saw on top of the box. Moving around to the back heel now, you can see the rest of this blue piece wrapping around the ankle, so you can see it's really cool. It does kind of mesh to your foot in terms of it not being a traditional Lego brick, but the same design, but wrapping around the heel of the shoe. Behind that, you have the suede, and it's all on top of that yellow midsole. Then coming up to the really nice materials around the heel, going up to that black inner liner wrapping inside the shoe. Now taking a look at the front, you can really get a feel for all the colors there, and that Lego hit on top of the tongue is looking straight at you. That is just so cool. Love to see that. It goes really well with the red and then the yellow, and then we see this green Lego brick as the lace lock that I mentioned earlier, and then we have the nice accent of the blue on top of the toe box as well. Looks really cool from the front, definitely very colorful. Next up, I've gotten the shoes loosened up and turned on the flash to take a look overhead and move inside the shoes. Again, we can see the Lego hits on top in red. As we move inside the shoe, we see the black inner liner, the yellow insoles, and then Adidas and Lego dual branding on the insole. Behind the tongue, it is all black, but there are some additional features here. So we see Adidas Torsion ZX 8000 in red. Below that, it's a little bit more difficult to see, but we can take a look. It does say Lego and the Lego trademarks, so just some additional branding there. And then on the inner portion of the sneaker, we can take a look at the size tag right there for some of the numbers and information. But finally now we have wrapped up taking an up-close look at the LEGO Adidas sneakers, so it's time to get these laced up and I'll show you guys what it looks like on feet. So what else is there to know about the LEGO Adidas ZX 8000? Well, I think the takeaways here are that it is a really, really nice shoe. You guys saw the on feet. I really like them on feet. I think they looked really good. And with what I mentioned earlier in the video about them fitting true to size and also being a comfortable shoe, I think it is really, really nice across the board. The only things to keep in mind are really essentially your preference on the shoe, because it is really cool with the nostalgia. I love the collaboration. But for me, I think it's a shoe that I can wear every so often. It's not one that I really want to wear every day because of how bright it is. It's a shoe you functionally could probably wear every day because of how comfortable it is, but in terms of the brightness and the style and the look, for me, I think it's gonna be a wear kind of every so often shoe, but that's something I'd love to know from you guys in the comments down below. Those, I think, are the main takeaways here. It's a really nice shoe. It's a really great collaboration. They went all out on the collaboration with having literal Lego bricks on the shoe, and it comes in at a very nice price point of $130. So it checks all the boxes for me and is very, very nice. So for my final rating and opinion on a scale out of 10 here, I am gonna go an 8.5 out of 10. Super nice shoe. I'd love to know if you guys are gonna pick this up or maybe have already picked this up in the comments down below. Be sure to keep it locked to the channel and hit that subscribe button. I wanna thank you all for stopping by the channel, and I'll catch you guys again real soon on the next video.